Welcome back. It is 8:39 on your Thursday morning. Thanks for joining us. Mussels are one of those foods a lot of people are intimidated to eat, let alone make. Andrea Holwegner is a registered dietitian and joins us this morning to showcase 3 simple ways to prepare mussels in just a few minutes. Now, good morning to you, Andrea. Quick confession, I've never had mussels, so paying close attention to this segment. And secondly, you've got those 3 easy ideas. So tell us what we need to do and know.
You bet. So people are actually surprised to learn that Prince Edward Island, which is Canada's food island, produces 80% of the mussels for Canada, and they're world renowned, and they're just such a fantastic example of how food can be delicious and prepared and grown in a sustainable way. So when I was in Prince Edward Island this past summer, I could see the long ropes out in the ocean. They take about 16 to 24 months. They're grown on a seed, and it's really a great sustainable story for Canada. And they're so delicious. And if you smelled the garlic in my kitchen right now, you'd be very excited.
Listen, we are very jealous of the garlic aroma. It's one of our favorite ones here in the studio. So let's talk about cooking them. It's not as intimidating as it seems.
It isn't. I'm going to move over to my food display so I can show you what I've got in store here for you. So really all you need for a pound of mussels, and a pound of mussels is what I've got kind of here and here. If you want to make them super simple in minutes, all you need is about a 1/4 cup of liquid, which is water, white wine, or some broth. All you need to do is pretty much steam them. Maybe put, for example, in this particular recipe, what I added there was some onions, some garlic, a little bit of salt, pepper, and I just tossed some fresh parsley on top. Literally in 4 to 5 minutes, mussels are done. So this is a great weekday meal option, or a fantastic, excellent option if you're doing an appetizer and you need something speedy to serve guests.
Oh, wow. Okay, so you showed us the amazing one with the bread around the side there. What am I looking at the top of the screen?
Okay, this one is very delicious, and my son's going to be excited about this because he's a total gnocchi and pasta fanatic.
Me too.
And so all you're going to do here is cook your gnocchi or your pasta, and again, you're going to steam those mussels. This time I used some white wine, which just, oh my gosh, the aromas were fantastic. I sauteed a little bit of garlic. I put a little saffron in there, but you don't even need that. You could keep it super simple with white wine and garlic. Steam the mussels. Throw in a little bit of either stewed tomatoes, or I've used a passata, which is just strained tomatoes. And I just added the gnocchi when they're cooked right in there and topped it with some fresh basil. So again, a meal in minutes.
Right, not bad. So we had the steamed, we've had the gnocchi, and what's there on the bottom right?
Oh my gosh, and last but not least, okay, I'm calling all Thai red curry lovers in this one.
Yep.
So what I've got in this delicious recipe is a can of coconut milk, some red peppers, sliced garlic and ginger, a little bit of red Thai curry paste, some garlic, ginger. It's so simple. You throw it in a pot, you steam the mussels, and I would probably serve this one with maybe some rice and a steamed vegetable, and that could be just like a full-on awesome comfort meal. Oh, so really simple stuff here.
Yeah, you know what? My parents are in town. I feel like these are the perfect meals to put together with family and friends to host. Lastly, Andrea, where can people get these recipes?
You bet. You can head on over to thesocialshell.com and canadasfoodisland.ca for all things mussels. If you want to learn about the mussels industry, grab recipes, tips on how to select, where to find them, those are the places to go. And I hope you'll try cooking mussels at home.
Yeah, it looks amazing. And I hope your son enjoys that gnocchi, because I certainly want to get my hands on it. All right. If you want to contact Andrea, of course, all her information is up on the board. You can follow her at ChocoholicRD on Instagram and Twitter as well. Thanks again, Andrea.
Thanks so much for having me.